Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I was working on this project today, and I stated in there because I'm clicked on a big picture that my nudge distance has gone away, so I have to click off my picture for the nudge to appear. So if that's ever a problem and you're working pretty close and you have to zoom out to get your nudge distance, because like right here, if you're right here, you can't get your nudge distance because it's gone because you've got something clicked and you can't click off of it unless you move away from the photograph. So if you go to Tools, Options, Customization, go to Commands and go to Tools. This might show all, but I would go to Tools and then you can just cursor down to Nudge, hold down the Control and the Alt key and just move it up to this toolbar. And then hit OK. Now, no matter where I'm at in my picture, I can be really detailed in and I can change my nudge distance because it's right here and it will always be here. So let's just draw a square. And if I want to nudge it 5 inches, I can nudge it 5 inches. If I want to change that to 0.25 inches, I can nudge it 0.25 inches. So you can put your nudge up in this upper toolbar and it's still there also when you click off of something and it's actually set so they work simultaneously. So you can put your nudge distance up here very easily. And then I would go to Tools and Save as Default. And I'm not going to do that because you've got this change. I want 0.001. I want everything else is probably the same. I'm normally working with somebody else's, so I would check a few things. If I draw a rectangle with a hairline, and I do, everything else is the same. So then I could go to Tools and Save as Default and have all these checked and just hit Save. That way, every time you start Corel, you'll have a nudge distance. And if you zoom in really close and you have to check off, your nudge distance is still there. So we can minutely, sometimes you'll have trouble clicking on an item, but I can nudge this thing minutely. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.